gang. You now ganging with the Kurdish gang. ABZ, Kurdish. You know what I'm saying? Zor, for a pie. Peace, gang, Kurdish gang.
الكردستاني ولا ما كردستان ولا تبيك فجياني
هلو رابع ازديو بيك ذاتينا دنقاني لو خلقي ديارك أمقديم كردستاني
هيهê Hawarê ABZ
هلو رابع ازديو بيك ذاتينا دنقاني أمقديم كردستاني
هيهê Hawarê زبران الكردستان زديو روجامان ونماني بجن بلي سرخبون دولتا كردستان رزقار بين بس اشخرو فرماني هيا روجاما هاد غازي بكين
Oh, they jihadists? Oh shit. I mean, I don't care. I'm quite sure this is jihad. Shout out to my
غازي زديو توجد غازي أبايا دماما هاد أم بجيب سر
بجبلي كردستان لبس بلن غازي خونا ما هم يا بو راس أم جهشنا
رونيا جابا بيشمرقا جانو جسد وجرقا افچاقو سال درباز بونج بو ازدید خانه
هاتم دتا ببینم دو چاون تا بخوینم دل بکاون سمای بیر هاتنات بجینم
سیوی خدانی ام سوزدارین بارزانی شنگالی جدا ناکن جلال شان
I feel like, oh my God. Ooh. That's not a good look right there. Rest in peace. Let's just do a moment of silence right now. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, let's just do that right now. Okay, so rest in peace, you know what I'm saying, to the fallen Kurds. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can explain to me. I know this is like, y'all got a lot of pain with y'all culture, your nationality, the people. You know what I'm saying? I do know about Kurdistan. You know what I'm saying? Kurdistan history to a significant degree. You know what I'm saying? I'm not sure if just the Peshmerga or the Peshmerga soldiers, excuse me. On Peshmerga is the female deaf. Wait. It stands for something like deaf, like in the face of death or something like that. But you could, tell me exactly how it goes, because I actually forgot exactly how the phrase go. But it's like in the face of death, where Peshmerga is the female fighters of Kurdistan, you know what I'm saying? And the Peshmerga is the male fighters of Kurdistan, you know what I'm saying?
كردستان حيفا شنقال الراكن
بجم بلي دولة بون حيفا فرمانا هيهê Hawarê هيهê Hawarê جبران كردستاني.
They saying Kabra Kurdistani. So they saying Heyhê Hawarê. Wait, Heyhê Hawarê. Hawarê. Son. Okay, yeah, something like that. Okay, nice. I like that. That was a super vibe. I love the rhythm. That's what drives me to Kurdish music, the style of music, you know what I'm saying? They got those rhythms that I love, you know what I'm saying? Especially like that folklore sound, rhythm type style to their beats, you know what I'm saying? Yes, this was super amazing. I could tell they definitely was singing about something important though. Y'all let me know in the comment section what they were singing about, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you smash that like button. Let me know if you smash that like button. I will be commenting and pinning my post, so you could be part of the pinned post if you comment and let me know. Only if you like and subscribe, come under my comment, you know what I'm saying, gang, you know what I'm saying? If you want, let me know what next Kurdish song should I react to next. I will be doing a schedule based type videos. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be doing Kurdistan videos every day, or if I'm most likely gonna keep the ball rolling. So it's going to be like 3 videos, 2 music videos, and 1 like content that has nothing to do with music, like culture of life, traveling videos, food videos, Kurdish videos, you know what I'm saying, based on food stuff, all that type of stuff. My name is Jay Munchie, by the way, you know what I'm saying. My name is Munchie for a reason, you know what I'm saying, and I always got the munchies for music. And if you got the munchies for music, make sure you Superman punch that like button in the face, Billy, you know what I'm saying. This song was Zor Swap Pass, you know what I'm saying, very difficult, super hard, you know what I'm saying. I like it, you know what I'm saying. I hope you guys liked it, you know what I'm saying. Slaw to all my people from Kurdistan, you know what I'm saying. And I love how they were saying Kurdistani. It's like they saying Kurd. So they roll in the R. They're Kurdistani. So I gotta make sure I roll my R when I say Kurdistan. So it's Kurdistan. It's not Kurdistan. I be saying Kurdistan. I mean, that is the same way, but it's Kurdistan. I want to say it like the way they say it, like exactly. I love their accent and their dialect and their language. So amazing, beautiful. This is the Turkey Empire, and I see you guys in the next, you know what I'm saying, Zor Swapaz, you know what I'm saying, Shazza Kurdish reaction video, you know what I'm saying. Hell yeah. Gule.